Good morning, traders, and God bless. I'm Ricky Gaspard, and I'll be your host this morning. I'm a guy who trades from his home office. I've been trading since 1990. I'm also a ThinkScript coder, and I've been coding for about 16 years now. So I created all of these indicators to get some better trading, to be able to teach everyone how to use them, how to become profitable. This is our volume spike indicator. It's looking for anything that's moving. As soon as it starts moving, you'll see these percentages rising. Once they start rising, we come over here and look at the current bar volume, which would be this candle. If we have enough volume flow to get in and get out safely, we'll make a trade on this stock. This is our V4 indicator. This is the 5 EMA and the 13 EMA. They're good for scalping stocks. You'll see how fast they cross over. And these are spike arrows to let you know the volume is increasing as the price is rising, or the volume's increasing as the price is falling. I'll be marking support and resistance levels. I'll give you an example here. If the stock takes off and it pulls back from this point and it drops down, I'll mark this resistance level. Once it stops falling from the initial startup, I'll mark the support level, and we plan our entries down here on the support level for the next run up. This is our dominator indicator. It's a volume indicator, and it's watching for buyers and sellers. It's not really buyers and sellers. It's positive volume and negative volume. So we like to see a long, tall green bar as the buyers are coming in and the price is rising. Once we start seeing red bars come in, it's an indication to get out. This is the My Blessing indicator. It's an MACD-based indicator with my special coding. We like to see both of these lines pointing north, and preferably above this yellow line. This yellow line would be the average between the high and low of the stock. So it tells us the momentum is shifting when these lines come above yellow. I'll be explaining it as we go this morning and using it for our trades. Never trade off my screen. My screen is sometimes delayed, and delays can cost you money. Make sure you're set up on your own computer before you make a trade. Also, I'm not a professional financial advisor. I strongly suggest that you seek the help of a professional. My demonstrations are about indicators. I'm not here to teach you how to trade, but if you learn these indicators, you'll learn how to trade. So make sure you reach out to someone that is a professional that can guide you in the correct direction before you place any trades. And we have about 30 seconds to go. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. So if we get something to move this morning. It's been quite slow. I've been up since about 4 a.m. watching the market. Looks like LIFW may make a move here. It's a cheaper stock down there around $1. Let's see if it continues. Could just be opening orders since the market opened. It's only paying pennies. No big profit loss there. Nothing moving yet. Hopefully it won't be as slow as from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Hardly anything moved. I'm running through the watch list here just to see if I can spot something. ONTX. Go ahead and mark resistance level. This would be the support down here. Let's see if we can get it to rise. We're watching these dominator bars right down here at the bottom. They need to be green, not red. I did get the pre-market risers custom scan going. I don't know what was wrong with that problem. Didn't do anything. It just started working. Guess it was one of Schwab servers down. ONTX not doing very much of anything. XTAI. Let me take a look at it. Well, I got a window hung up somewhere. Don't know what it is. Not letting me click on anything. XTAI. XTIA maybe. There we go. Get it together, Ricky. Get it together. Continuing to watch for these numbers to be rising. We want steady movement in these numbers, not just a solid number and it's not moving. Watching these dominator bars to see if they turn green. I'm not liking this red indicator here turning down. Looks like it's waking up a little bit. LIFW, only paying pennies. Big red bar right here. Volume is stopped. XTAI gaining a little bit. Or at least trying to. Did break a little bit above that trend line. Somewhat calm morning this morning. Not much movement. If anything's going to move, we'll see it in these numbers. I see some barely clicking up. LIFW on the move again. It's only paying pennies. The SPY not looking too healthy this morning, not trending down, but not moving either. XTAI bouncing around. Seems to be holding this price level. We could move higher. Kind of waiting on this orange line to turn green. Could be a possible small share size entry just to sit on it for a little bit. LIFW selling off. XTAI moving downwards now. Looks like the SPY is nosing down a bit. Cheaper stock, 15 cents. I won't be playing it. Let's see if this red candle closes. You also need to watch for a long tail on the bottom of that red candle. That's also an indication to get in. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see the tail here. That's the buyers buying up what they're selling, hopefully to drive it back up even higher. Long wicks on the bottom means it's going up. Long wicks on the top, possibility it's going down. I'm watching for something that pays more than pennies. Possible pullback on a penny stock. Don't know if it'll work out or not on this cheaper range. We'll see. Need this red candle to close. Or get a long wick on the bottom. Looks like we got the long wick on the bottom. Going to probably push it up a little higher. New high. Looking like this one's just about over. But it's the stock market, anything can happen. Pushing it up even more. So all of that work from this line here to here was a nickel. Uh-oh. Looking like we could pull back down to 17 cents. TPET pulling back to 17. Well, Lord, if it be thy will, we need a trade this morning. Something that'll pay for lunch and dinner, or all of the bills. I do occasionally short stocks. I don't do it often. I more like to buy them going up. I'm mainly pre-market trading. Try to make my profit during pre-market. That's why I don't short very much. I like to be done before market opens. Looks like we may run up some more after a short break. It's a perfect example of the pullback. Just too bad it's not a stock that's up in the dollars. You can see how well this V4 indicator chart setup works for scalping. We had a crossover back in here. The arrows came in beneath the candles, showing you there was a spike in volume. A slow sell-off, so no downward arrows. So it wasn't spiking down, just profit takers. And then the arrows came back in to tell you they were going to drive it up some more. This is a good indicator for scalping. Just make sure you put in your resistance and support levels as you're playing it. And this is the 5 and the 13 moving averages. And they are EMA. AINC, absolutely not enough volume. TPET still rising. Ricky, you can always add them on the top of it if you want and turn off the indicators in the script. I wouldn't suggest it for scalping though. If you're a swing trader, yeah, you can adjust it how you want. Very slow morning. We need some activity to happen. It's been a slow week. Yesterday morning for the first hour wasn't that good either. We can't have every day good. We got to take the bad with the good. And just like yesterday, I left at 10 o'clock and CAXI takes off for over a buck gain. But when I gotta leave, I gotta leave. Hopefully that'll be over in the next couple of weeks. AINC, I just looked at it. I thought it had no volume. It has more volume than when I looked at it the first time. TPET still going. Yeah, you say 16 million. That's really not a lot of volume for this stock. It's so cheap. You have to buy 5,000, 10,000 of them to make any money. So when you look at it like that, it'd just be a handful of people buying large share sizes. I mean, if you bought 100 shares, you're not going to make any money. But yes, it is a lot of shares traded because nothing else is moving. So we have 246 viewers while nothing's going on. Can you hit the like button for me? Help me keep these live streams going on YouTube for 1 hour each morning. Make it worth my trouble. And I thank you very much for your effort. You can come here each morning for a free hour, and I'll try to pull out the best stocks possible, along with other members who have the same setup that are posting stocks as well. Since our scans don't all refresh at the same time, we may have different stocks than each other. So a team effort helps in pre-market. Thank you, Ricky. I will let the media department know. I don't handle that side of it. I don't think a lot of people understand what we have going on here. It's not like we're throwing a bunch of videos at you and saying, here, figure it out. We're actually doing it in front of you. We're showing you that it works. Plus, we have some great instructors on board, not just me. A lot of you have met Hennessy, Bobby. They're both good at what they do as well. We want you profitable. We're not going to just leave you hanging. Not much this morning, though. I can't move the stocks, but we can wait on them and strike when they happen. SPY's kind of creeping down slowly but surely. AINC moving. Well, usually Aprils are very good months for trading. If you look back through history, April's always been a good month. Hopefully it doesn't fall short of the glory. Good morning, Jimmy. Yeah, we're going to have slow mornings. We're going to have really good mornings. We're going to have average mornings. Welcome to stock market trading. They don't like giving likes, Jimmy. I tried. Less than half or hit the like button. Well, if you're a penny stock trader, you made a few cents off of TPET this morning. That's about all we had moving. And time's running out on this YouTube channel. Got about 5 minutes left before I have to pull the plug. If you haven't joined my Discord, we'd love to have you on board. The link is at the top of your chat window there. I'll also post it in the bottom in case you can't look up. We're climbing our way up. We're bumping the bottom of 400. And that's in less than 30 days. Good job, Doomsday. See you later, Hennessy. Thank you for joining us this morning. Miller time, man, I wished I could say take advantage of it, but I don't think the clocks are right. I don't know what they've done with the clocks. I can set my YouTube pre-market to launch at 6 a.m. every morning, and it shows 5. Basic black trading, I have lots of stuff over on Discord. All of it special coded. God bless you, YouTube. See you later, Ricky. Thanks for joining us. Scratch to Win over in Discord. A new channel is created once you purchase it. Look for a channel that's called My Blessing Indicator. It'll be right there. Should be on the left. If you can't find it, hit that support button and ask them. All right, guys, thank you for joining me this morning. I'll be here tomorrow, Wednesday at 6 a.m. Central Time. I look forward to having you join us. Come make some money with us. We'd love to have you join our Discord as well. But for now, God bless. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.